What's up, guys? So I got some comments from the internet experts saying that my flat range training with my duty weapon and gun bucket was unrealistic and not challenging. So I'm out here today. We're going to shoot a couple 10-yard B8s, my Glock 48 in the Filster Enigma. Look at me carrying with no belt. Glock 48, Holosun 507X2. Eight flat. Can you see that? 8 flat. Let's go see the target. Not exactly my best work. Let's see. Down 1, 2. It's a line break. It's on the edge. We could count it out. We'll call it 97. It's all right. Like a smaller concealed carry gun that I don't really train with that much, I'm okay with this.